going. Don't have a whole lot on Carlin here. Yeah, but he ain't afraid to give it the throttle. Man, he is still
Pitch that rock. There goes Carlin. Staying on the throttle, gets a little air and stays on top of it though.
He did. He come up and out. You thought that would have stopped him, but he's not.
Oh, he gets to the precipice. It is a full house. Best from the east, the best from the west. You can't go wrong for 15 bucks. Oh, got it!
Kester also in the competition this season in the AMA Pro Hill Climb Series in that extreme class as well, I believe. For back-to-back championships. Finished up second place in the unlimited class last year to Chase Solstrom.
Looking for the top. Can he do it? I believe he can.
Kester down there with the air blower keeping the nitro back.
Have your whistle on him.
There you go, right there. John Kester on 95% nitro methane. He's got the horsepower.
Man, is he?
Keep it hooked up.